What are performative verbs? Performative verbs. Performative verbs describe the actions we do as we speak. The verb is the action that we do as we speak. The action begins and ends as we speak. The first person, I or we, is normally used. Examples of performative verbs are accept, admit, agree, apologize, congratulate, declare, demand, deny, disagree, forbid, forgive, give up, guarantee, insist, invite, order, predict, promise, quit, resign, recommend, refuse, request, suggest, surrender, thank and warn.
I apologize for hurting your feelings. I'm not just saying it. I'm doing it. When we apologize, we say and do the act of apologizing simultaneously.
I'm not working here anymore. I quit. I'm not just saying it. I'm doing it.
Many performative verbs are also reporting verbs, which means that we say what other people say instead of repeating exactly what they say. If someone says, "Thank you," you can say, "He thanks you."
The CEO says, "Thank you for attending the conference." The spokesperson says, "The CEO thanks you for attending the conference."
I hope you have enjoyed this lesson. Bye for now.